Hope you have followed the three sums in exercise 6.1. I am going very slowly, children, so that you all will follow the topic. Geometry requires reasoning and concentration, children. The more you concentrate, the topic will be easier. And repetition of practice makes you perfect. You become perfect when you do repeatedly. I have been always telling you all, first figure, given, to prove and proof. The figure is given for you. In this figure, x plus y is equal to w plus z. Prove that AOB is a straight line. Observe carefully. What is AOB? A straight line. On this straight line, what is OC? OC is a ray. The ray OC is a ray. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Yes, children. Or in an easy way you can take, girls. O is what? AOB is a straight line. O is what? A point. Do you remember what will be the sum of the angles at a point? At a point you can have any number of angles. Their sum is equal to 360 degrees. Are you able to follow, children? Yes. O is a point. O is a point. Sum of angles at a point is equal to 360 degrees. This is the main concept, children. Now in this particular figure, what do you have? X, Y, Z, W. X, Y, Z, W is equal to how much? 360 degrees. But in the question given, X plus Y is equal to W plus Z given. Therefore, in the place of Z plus W, what are you going to write? Yes, use equation 1. You know addition of girls. X plus X, 2X, Y plus Y, 2Y, X plus X, 2X, Y plus Y, 2Y. You can take out 2 common, children. X plus Y is 360. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 360 by 2, which is equal to 180 degrees. Yes, X and Y are 2 angles on the line AOB. X and Y, there are 2 angles on the line AB. And their sum is what, children? 180 degrees. So, if the sum of 2 angles is 180 degrees, you can call that AOB as a straight line. Since, you know the meaning, symbol for since. Since X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees, therefore AOB is a straight line. What is the reason? Sum of angles on the line is 180 degrees. Hope you follow. Given that X plus Y is equal to W plus Z, and you are asked to prove that AOB is a straight line. To prove that AOB is a straight line, children, you have to show that the sum of the angles on the line AOB should be 180 degrees. What you have to show? The sum of the angles on the line AOB is 180 degrees. Proof. O is a point. Sum of the angles at a point is 360 degrees. Name the angles at the point. X, Y, Z, W. Their sum is 360. X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. We are using, in the place of W plus Z, you can put X plus Y. You're all good at addition. X plus X, 2X. Y plus Y, 2Y is equal to 360. Common number 2. X plus Y is 360. What will happen to this 2 when it goes to right side? 180. Therefore, x plus y is 180. If the sum of the angles is 180 degrees, you can call that line as a straight line. Therefore, AOB is a straight line and it is proved. Coming to fifth question. P, O, Q, R. This is the figure given, children. What is given? Given POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray means only one arrowhead. Ray OR is perpendicular. You know the symbol, children? Perpendicular to PQ. Yes. OS. Ray OS is between. OS is another ray between. OS is another ray between OP and OR. One arrowhead means ray. To prove. What to prove? Angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus angle POS. POQ is a line. OR perpendicular to PQ. The word perpendicular tells you that the angle measure is 90 degrees. Therefore, angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees. And there is another ray between OP and OR. Which is that ray between OP and OR, children? OS. What to prove, children? Angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus half into angle QOS plus angle POS. Proof. Yes, first point. How is OR? The ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. When a line is perpendicular to PQ, when a ray is perpendicular to a line, children, it is understood that the angles on either side, angle POR is equal to angle QOR is equal to 90 degrees. Hope you have understood, children. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. When a ray is perpendicular means it makes 90 degrees on both sides. Angle POR is 90. Angle QOR is also 90. Yes? Are you able to follow? Yes, children. Now I want the angle QOS. Look at the figure QOS. What angles are in QOS, children? Angle QOR, angle ROS. Yes, second bit. Angle QOS is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. Equation 2. Third one. What is angle POR? Angle POR is, name the angles in POR, children. Angle POS, angle SOR. Repeat. Angle POS, angle SOR. Angle POS plus angle SOR is equation 3. Yes. Add angle, the second equation and the third equation. Which equation, children? 2 and 3. Angle QOS plus angle POR is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS plus angle POS plus angle SOR. These two angles are same, children. These two angles are same. Are you following? Angle QOS plus angle POR is equal to angle QOR, angle ROS twice angle ROS. Angle ROS plus angle ROS is what, children? Twice angle ROS. What is your equation 1, children? Angle POR, angle QOR is equal to 90 degrees. That is why I have cancelled. If two angles are equal, children, you can cancel. Yes, angle POR is equal to QOR from 1. This angle, when it comes to left side, what does it become? Minus. Angle POS is twice angle ROS. Yes, therefore, angle ROS 2 when it goes to left side, what does it become? Half angle QOS minus half angle POS, and that is proved. I shall repeat, children. Given to prove, all that is from the question itself. First step, children, the ray is perpendicular to the line PQ. When a ray is perpendicular to a line, children, angles on either side will be equal to 90 degrees. So name the angles, children. Angle POR, angle QOR. Each angle is equal to 90. Second one, children, angle QOS. Name the angles in angle QOS. Angle QOR, angle ROS makes angle QOS. And what makes angle POR, children? Name the angles in POR. Angle POS, angle ROS. So two equations we have got. Adding 2 and 3. Add and observe carefully. ROS. What is x plus x? 2x. In the same way, children, angle ROS plus angle ROS, we call it as twice angle ROS. Observe carefully, children. Why did I cancel these two angles, POR and QOR? Because both are equal to 90. When they are equal, you can cancel. After cancellation, girls, take angle POS to left side. It is plus. When it comes to left, what will happen? Minus. Now, what is the number before angle ROS? 2. If you take it to left side, what does it become? Half. This is what you have to prove. Hope you have followed. Ask the question. Excellent. Coming to the last question in the exercise, children. A simple question is only a numerical sum. Angle XYZ, angle XYZ is equal to how much? 64 degrees. And XY is produced to point P. They have asked you to draw the figure. Yes, ray by Q bisects. Ray by Q bisects. You know what is the meaning of the word angle bisector? An angle bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. Ray by Q bisects angle ZYP. Find angle XYP. Angle X. Find angle ZYP. Okay, followed. Next, you go one by part. First one, what is given? Angle XYZ is equal to how much? 64 degrees. XY is produced xy is produced to point P. Yes, ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Yes, to find, it is not proved children, to find numerical numbers. So it is to find angle XYQ, and reflex angle QYP. A simple question, girls. Yes. What is YZ? A ray standing on the line PX. Ray YZ stands on what? PX. You are all experts now. Angle PYZ plus angle ZYX XYZ is how much? 180 degrees. The reason? Linear pair. What is given in the question? What is XYZ measure? 64 degrees. So substitute. Angle PYZ is what, children? 180 minus 64. 7 take away 6, 116. Find angle PYZ. PYZ or ZYP is the same. YZ is a ray standing on the line PX. So name the angles that form the linear pair XYZ, PYZ. Already XYZ is how much, children? 64. You can find out PYZ. Next, what is YZ? YQ. YQ bisects angle PYZ. How many angles are there in PYZ? 2 angles. And what is the measure of PYZ, children? 116. If an angle is bisected, it is divided into 2 equal parts. You are asked to find the, therefore, what? Angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ is equal to half angle PYZ. That is equal to how much? Yes, each part, the full angle is 116. Each part is how much, children? 58 degrees. Now the question for you is find angle XYQ. Find angle XYQ. Angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle QYZ. XYZ is how much? 64 plus 58. That is how much, children? 122 degrees. And reflex angle QYP. Fourth bit. Reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees minus angle QYP. QYP or PYQ are same. That is 58 degrees. 10 take away 8 to 302. I repeat once. First thing is the ray YZ stands on the line PX, children, and 2 angles are there on the line PX. Angle PYZ, angle XYZ is 180 degrees, that is linear pair, and you got the measure as 116. It is given that ray YQ bisects angle PYZ. What does an angle bisected do? It divides the angle into 2 equal parts, children. Full angle is 118, means each part is how much, children? 58 degrees. The next part for you is to find out angle XYQ. Name the angles in XYQ. Angle XYZ, angle QYZ, angle XYZ, angle QYZ. 64 plus 58 is how much, children? 122. The last bit here is reflex angle QYP. 360 minus angle QYP will give you the reflex angle, which is 302. Hope you have followed, children. Homework. Exercise 6.1. Homework is 4 to 6. All must do. And please request your parents to pay the fee, and all of you prepare for the periodic 2 very well. And this time it is online examination. It is not MCQ, girls. It is through practice only you can answer the paper. Online examination for 30 marks. Hope you understood. Request your parents to pay the fee and write the periodic table.